Take us. Yo! Yeah, it'll be alright. Getting our tracking done now. Yeah! So there you go, my car's getting its alignment done. It's not the fancy laser ones, but this is good enough for now because I need to sort out the wheel respray and everything like that, and I might get it done again afterwards. So let's see what happens. It's nice to see the underneath of the car. So basically that laser there is going to be coming across and aligning up over here. And making sure it's all straight. These back boxes need to get removed. It's actually not a bad time to look underneath the car properly. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So I definitely have a serious engine oil leak somewhere.
7. I don't know if you'll be able to earn it like a 7.5, and this one all the way on. Basically, back's supposed to be the same, and your front obviously here. Have a look. It should be either positive or negative. Here's the laser. You see?
Yeah.
And this one as well. But once I do it, then I'll show you the exact how it's supposed to be.
That's what.
But all you need to know, the backs are supposed to be the same.
Right, so the backs are not good. Okay, well thanks bro. I'll catch you in a second. I'm gonna go to that spot then. This is Tip Top Exhaust. RJ's competition. That's a crazy looking gate. I'm not sure if I like that, being that I don't like spiders, but it is what it is.
Oh, you gonna go ahead, bro?
Oh, sick. Wow. That's kind of sick, you know. Yeah, these guys even got a dyno here and everything. This is a wicked spot. I think they might be a little bit too expensive for me. I'm gonna have to speak to RJ's. I'll focus on my face. I think I might have to speak to RJ's first and decide from there. Sean, what do you think?
I just want to hear the car with an exhaust on it, so...
Speeders account. Where? Pay my bills.
Yeah, safe.
Safe? He's paying for it? You guys all heard it first? Installments? No installments. Straight up cash. I know you're rich, you're balling.
I'm getting my turbo done.
Exactly, he's getting turbo done.
From the backside I'm getting this.
Why would you admit that for yourself?
Oh,
that's a messed up bit.
That's what I'm getting, fam. My money's going.
Right. Let's go back and get the check on the wheel alignment. Right, so after getting the wheel alignment done, I'm gonna do it this way. After getting the wheel alignment done, we're not that far away from Lamborghini, so we've come over. Oh my gosh. This is some nice cars. Pre-owned, you know. I don't want any more. Look at the interior on these cars. This is like probably my favorite interior for a luxury car. It's just beautiful, man. Look at this one, spoiler. This one's got carbon fiber, all that. So everyone, you join me outside Speedwells right now. You can see my BMW. And I'm about to go pick it up from getting the alloys resprayed. Actually, real quickly, before I go pick it up, look at this. What the hell? It's crazy. And they also have an F10, I mean, what? An E60 M5 over there. Man, I need that engine in my life at some point. But they also have a 535 that's just got its alloys redone. But let's go look at mine. There the alloys are.
Yeah, it's a V25.
It really suits the car well. Gone back to how it used to look back in the days. So the only real difference really now is it doesn't have the chrome lip that used to go all the way around. But I think the silver really matches the rest of the body colour. So that's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. They also have a really cool little setup in here. I think it's very similar to this colour that I went on my old alloys, which are currently on my sister's. Well, it is now my sister's car. That Galaxy S10 wide angle shot, you get me? God, I love this phone. Alright, time to drive home now. So everyone, I think I'm going to end the video there. It's been a busy day, you know, getting the car done, picking it up, doing all the extra bits. I'm gonna hopefully, I've literally just been doing the conservatory area, kind of getting it ready so then I can get it messy again by starting on the E30 parts. But you know, I wanted a decent headspace for when I'm working in here. It was just too messy in here earlier. So yeah, I'm basically gonna start on that in my next video, so that's gonna be fun. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, I'd like to say thank you to everyone that does comment. It's not always on my most recent videos, but some of my older ones. I'd love to like get in touch with everyone. You know, people like asking me questions or, you know, mentioning other things. It's really cool. So, you know, keep that up, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, alright? Peace out.